Our next presenter is Jessica Gregson. Her presentation is titled Supplementing OAS1 to Prevent Cold and Flus.
I would start by asking, how many of you here have had a cold or the flu in the last year, except I know everyone here would raise their hand. You see, colds and flus are caused by viruses, and our bodies have many ways of protecting us against viruses. 2'5' oligoadenylate synthetase, or OAS1 for short, is one of our body's first lines of defense. Now, that name is a mouthful, but it's actually a very descriptive term, so let's unpack it a little. The first part of the name gives you instructions on how to build a particular molecule. Basically, it's a special string of a few nucleotides, which are the building blocks of DNA that have been put together in a special way. The second part, synthetase, means to make, so when you put it together, you get a protein that makes a special string of nucleotides. So OAS1 makes this special string of nucleotides when it senses a virus inside your cells. This special string of nucleotides then becomes a signal to another part of your cell, telling that cell to stop making all protein. You see, viruses can't make their own protein, so they rely on our cells to make the protein that they need to make more copies of themselves. OAS1, by stopping the cell from making protein, effectively stops the virus from making copies and spreading. Now, you're probably thinking, if my body has this wonder protein inside of it, how come I caught that cold last month? Well, you see, OAS1 is what we call an interferon-stimulated gene. That means our bodies only make it in large amounts after we've already gotten sick. In normal, healthy humans, OAS1 is only present in very small amounts, and it takes a day or two after you've already gotten sick for our bodies to make enough of it to have an effect on our cold. Now, research from my lab has shown that people with chronic lung disease, a lifelong condition, like cystic fibrosis, have even less OAS1 than normal healthy people, and as a result, have more severe colds and flus. My research is in how we can supplement our body's natural levels of OAS1 with an outside source for the prevention of the flu. In my work, I use lungs from normal, healthy humans, as well as humans with chronic lung disease for whom something as simple as a cold or the flu can have devastating consequences. Currently, I am working to identify an effective dose of supplemental OAS1. I love working with colds and flus because it's something that affects everyone. My end goal is to one day stand up here and ask, how many of you have had a cold or a flu in the last year and have nobody raise their hand?